Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Let's start this video. Actually, I'm going to tell about stabilization in this video. Most of them you know about stabilization. There are two types, EIS and OIS, electronic image stabilization and optical image stabilization. The most common difference is electronic image stabilization works with software and optical image stabilization works with real adjustments in the camera. So most of the mobiles comes with OIS, I mean costly devices, and most of the devices comes with EIS. I'm going to use a 20x zoom lens to Redmi Note 10 Pro Max to shoot some bird videos, and I got shaken morely. But how I stabilized it in mobile? I mean, I used Google Photos app to stabilize the video. So it's a free app available in every mobile, I think pre-installed. So use it for stabilization.
Okay guys, select the video in Google Photos app which one you want to stabilize the footage. I shoot this video in Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with a 20x zoom lens. It's a green bee eater bird. Actually the video was so shaken, so click on the edit option and click on the frame symbol after the sound symbol. It will stabilize and take some time to stabilize the footage. If the video has been too small, it will stabilize easily. If the video has more time, so it took more time to stabilize. Okay guys, watch the video. Now it was stabilized. You can observe the difference before and now. It was zooming slowly with stable footage. So that's the main feature from this app. So let's try with this rain video. Actually I took this in 960 frames. In the front it was a little bit shaken, you can see easily. After it will slowly shown because 960 frames. So now it was stabilized, the front and after part has been in a stable mode. So it will be usable for videographers. I think you can stabilize any video guys, but it will give its best.
Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.